So finally, we got the $3 guys for AMC. As you can see here at the market open, we've got a huge wick. We got a big buyer around the $2.82, and the price right now resting around the $3 exactly. And of course, we have the $3.08 in the pre-market. So are we gonna have the $4 before the end of this week or not? We have to discuss this right now, guys. Before we go further, remember our content is always for educational purposes only. The main thing that we have to discuss today is AMC, and of course the rocket breaking movie. The of course Spider-Man is been of course helping AMC smashing the revenue, the smashing the 106-year revenue record, guys. 106 revenue record actually has beating right now because of Spider-Man movie hitting almost the 1 billion worldwide for of course the money that's generated so far. So this is a huge, guys, for AMC. It came at the right time because if you see here, the market is kind of pulling back down and a bit of a red. However, you can see exactly what's going on here with AMC is the opposite, going on the green side and testing the $3. The good thing is we've got another buyer at the market open today and gapping up to AMC around the $2.84. We got a new support right now confirmed that we got a big buyer and a huge whale bought around the $2.58. That's why we hit the $3 today in the pre-market and during the market open. And of course, the price is still holding the gain that we did in the pre-market. So today, guys, we have updated level that we might squeeze toward the $4, which is the $3.47. That's why we updated the level because as you can see here, this is the third reversal squeeze from the bottom here. Technically, we are almost 100% reversal. And every time when we have a huge dip, we got a reversal of 100 or over 100. Back here, it was 120. And here on the 15th of May, we reversed almost in 1 month, 135%. And here, once we reverse at the beginning of July, and we expect this time to give us another 150% if we went toward the $4.10. This is it, guys. Right now, AMC is still holding and testing the $3 while we're speaking exactly at the market open because I was worried about the breakout that happened in the pre-market because I don't trust the test for new high in the pre-market, but we confirm it by the wick that we got at the market open, and now we're getting near the squeeze zone, which is around the $3.47, which will give us the confirmation, the other confirmation that we need to for AMC to go toward the $4. And of course, the fundamental helped a lot because AMC have a smashing record revenue that like almost since 160 years history, fueled by blockbuster, of course, and, of the Spider-Man brand New Day, and this has helped to break this record for AMC. A huge beating, guys, and of course we got the $3 since last time we tested the $3 was almost 2 months ago. So a huge breaking record for new levels, new numbers, and of course for the new revenue right now for AMC. And this is might give us the trigger for to go toward the $4 and the $5.55, of course, for the coming days. We're gonna do another update, of course, for AMC, not just for now, but for tomorrow. So make sure to put a notification on, and of course, subscribe. And before that, of course, we're gonna do the update here on our Discord and Patreon, where we do every time update for a squeeze play like CYCU did the huge jump last week, jumped from the $1 and went toward the $3, tripled in just few hours.